Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you friends? I hope you're all fine. Today I am back with very beautiful, very stylish and very gorgeous collection of handbags in leopard print. In this video you will see different designs of handbags in leopard print, and I hope you love all the designs of handbags because all designs of handbags in leopard print are so beautiful and so stylish. So those girls who love to wear handbags in leopard print, so guys, this is a very useful collection, so just watch this video till then and you will get many useful ideas and many useful designs of handbags in leopard print. And as we know, girls are not live without their bags. She takes with her bag wherever she goes. So guys, select the best bags. Because I have uploaded many designs of handbags in leopard print in this video, so you will get many ideas and many designs of handbags in leopard print in this video. You can see all designs of handbags are so beautiful and so stylish, and I hope you love all the designs of handbags in leopard print. And if you're loving all the designs of handbags in leopard print, so guys, please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification, and you never miss any video and any collection on my channel. And if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trend, so my channel is all about latest fashion trend. So friends, just tell me in comment section how was the video, how was the design which you want to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice and demand also. I always trying to bring a useful collection for you guys, so you can also suggest me in comment section which videos I should upload on my channel. That is very useful for you. I need your help. Please guys, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And one thing more, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share and like my videos. So see you soon in next videos with amazing collection and new ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family. Remember me in your prayers, and one thing more, be positive always. Allah Hafiz.